I'm Miss Hazel. Today we're going to talk about energy transfer using Lego's project. Okay, so the Lego project we're going to build today is Catapult and kind launcher. As you can see, both of the project are going to use rubber band. Right here. Alright, let's start building. Okay, when you turn the kind launcher and Catapult, you're going to add rubber bands around it. This is the launcher. So you're going to add the rubber bands around 12 star beams like this. Right, this is the rubber band. Okay, and this is the so I'm going to show you how it actually works. Okay, there is a little trick on our kind launcher here. So as you can see, this is the front, which is the ones that have the 12 star beams. Okay, and then this is the back. Okay. Put your car in front of the launcher. Hold the 2x6 star plates here with your finger and lift up your back wheels a little bit. Then don't forget to hold down your launcher so it doesn't move around. So you pull this. Make sure your front wheel is still on the ground and then go. Can you see that? I'm going to show you one more time. Lift up, pull, pull. Okay, so what you can see here is the energy transfer here. When you pull it, it holds potential energy. When you let go, it becomes kinetic energy and it moves the car. Same thing with the build catapult here. So when you're done, you have two rubber bands here. Alright, pull one rubber band to pulley, to each side of the pulley, which is here. And do it one more time for the other side. There you go. And one thing that you don't want to miss out is the plates here. Do you see the bottom here? There is the 2x4 star plates attached. Okay, that's very important to have these plates in the back here. Okay, now you see the handle here, over here. And there's a handle. So when you press it down, you move down. See that? And then when you let go, the rubber band, the elastic energies will pull it back to the front. Okay, we're going to experiment with this thing. Alright, it's a rubber. Okay, on top of this. And then we'll bend it down gently. Then launch. Can you see? I'm going to do one more time. So it's right here. And I'm going to press down here. Make sure you hold down your catapult. Press down the handle. And go. Alright, so this is elastic energies that we can use in Lego's project to have more fun. Alright, hope you enjoy playing with the Lego's project. Bye!